Yeah, hi everyone. Hope you all are very well. Uh, there's a very unfortunate issue that more than 100% students have registered and only 67 have joined due to some examination issues and every college that you are coming from. No issues and apologies for the same from to you, Ayan sir, also that we may need to reschedule it for some other day. But of course, to everyone who have joined, we will be getting a one-on-one consultancy. We will be providing you one-on-one consultancy by today itself by our executives here, by our career counselors, and you can get to know more about these. And yeah, I answer if you can. I would be requesting you can just guide them that if there are well, to make this fruitful to the students who have joined 3 to 5 or 6 whoever to make it fruitful to them what kind of career options they can see in artificial intelligence. So whenever we will be having the second round of our this session with full-fledged attendance of students, they can have some benefits of that. Like they can search about these career options and they can easily know and catch up with us in the next meet. So your mic is off.
Okay,
So
hello. Good evening, everyone. Okay,
yeah, good evening.
so yeah, thank you for having me over here. So I will just share my slide. So just to let you see that the career options I will mention, obviously, and the thing is that I will mention that what are the prerequisite. Today I was going to give just simple introduction to artificial intelligence, but as Anmol has mentioned that due to some college exam and other activities of the students, they may not be able to join the session. But hope we will arrange a session too soon. And the my plan was today actually to give an introduction to artificial intelligence, and which is an exciting field at this moment. And I think those of you are in college right now, so you have this at exciting moment of time where you can gather the skill to be an upcoming AI engineer or AI specialist. So now coming to this, the first of all, I will say that what are the prerequisite that is needed. So, Anmol, can I share my screen a little bit? So
For
that
sure, sir.
yeah, it just
For sure. Yeah, I'm stopping by presentation. Yes, sir, you can.
okay. So I hope all of you can see my screen. Now coming, so since it is not happening today, so let me go to the slide that I wish to this mention at this point. That what is needed to be an AI is a specialist in this particular field. So there are some background skills actually that why I was trying to talk about today. So you should have some idea in the background mathematics, for example, the linear algebra and probability and statistics. So this is required for the part that how you formulate your AI model and how to design your AI model. That is the background mathematics, and how to represent them in terms of how to represent that, how to implement that. That should be done by this the second one, the data analysis, where you should have some knowledge in programming in any of the programming language. So preferably we use Python, and apart from that we have this concept of data science. And this data science is used to extract some meaningful observation from the data. Now AI particular is a term which is meant, or in short you can say that it is a data driven technology. So you should have to feed the data to an AI model, and how will you work on that data. And what is the objective of that? So to get a predictive system, to build a pattern recognition system. Now for example, if I tell you that you have seen this face recognition system in a mobile. Now this face recognition system, how the face is being recognized by a particular machine for in case of a user, that is a clear example, or you can say that is one of the example of AI. So now how to deal with this and how to build that model that can make predictions, that can generate patterns, that can recognize patterns. For that you need this AI approach, this machine learning and the deep learning. Now this is the prerequisite. Now what are the career options you have? Let me show you one slide. There you will find that this lot of the options are there. Now this is the scope. Now the scope is quite huge. The first comes the AI, and AI consists of this. You need to create some intelligent machines, and this machines can be created with the help of this your machine learning tools and the deep learning tools. And these are not exactly what software developers do. This is not what you will be doing coding all the day and generating some fancy output. Not like that. This is that is a different story. That is also have a different effect. But this particularly means that without using any explicit programming, how you can generate and how you can create intelligent machines. So you have a scope to make career in the AI domain, specifically as a machine learning specialist, as a deep learning specialist. And if you are more interested in the viewpoint of data set, that how you can handle data, how to extract information from the data. So there are options of being a data engineer, data scientist, data analyst. Now all this means you can be one of the thing at a time, but to get a very holistic view now, or this an overall idea of this thing, you should have a background of the entire this platform, starting from the different AI approaches, the background mathematics, and obviously have a good understanding of the programming language, specifically the Python. Now just one thing to show the last thing. Now this we are actually using. So I am an industry professional and are working in this sector for the last 7 to 8 years. So we actually don't use Python explicitly. Means we don't write so extremely programming this extreme sort of programming this 1,000 or 10,000 line of codes. Rather, this is an interesting part in machine learning and deep learning, both this case, that we use Python frameworks, which is one of the most interesting thing in the case of the different model implementation. So these are some of these famous, you can say the widely popular modules, the TensorFlow, the Keras. So this TensorFlow is a module developed by Google, and it is an open source. So everyone can develop and be a part of this community. On the other hand, we have this PyTorch, which is being another framework that is used for this different implementation. Now, I will say from the point of view that InternsElite as an edutech company in this present situation is actually working on some of the frontier areas of technology, specifically this artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science, business analytics. And the first important thing with this is it has an extensive live session program along with this where we discuss both the theoretical understanding or the theoretical background and the implementation of the project using different frameworks, as well as the student also get an opportunity to work on different projects, and they usually prepare project reports and submit that report. And along with that, the team is constantly working on getting some this industry connections, internship opportunities, and along with that, this we are also working on the skill development sessions. That not only you be a master in the technical field, but you need to have a good resume. You need to have a good representation of yourself. So in order to successfully land a job in this particular domain. I think I will stop over here, and I will this move over to my Anmol for the next part.
Yeah.
Okay.
Uh, so just want to know also that uh, let's say we are having this issue right now, much like everyone is worrying about in this field that AI could take our jobs and all these things. Especially the tech students are worried about the same thing. So can you please guide us through that? Is this going to happen, and what's the true reality behind that?
Yeah, yeah, that's a very interesting question, and all of us are this in this particular dilemma of this whether AI is for good or AI is for bad. Now I will give you one example that will make the situation more clearer. Now in the late 70s, 80s, calculator was invented. Now, when the calculator was invented, everybody in the field of science and technology thought, okay, the day was gone for mathematics, mathematicians, so they have nothing to do now, and they will just lose their job and they will sit and they will go for farming. So they don't have any other job because the calculator is there and they can do any type of calculation. But what is the actual scenario? The calculators help mathematicians to calculate difficult calculations that were previously intractable. Now, same for this case of AI. Now, this AI is we cannot say that AI is for good or it is for bad. So AI is a particular technique. It is a technological tool that will ease your life. Now, why we believe in technology? Because it makes our life easy. Now, so that we can focus on our more on our particular work, and we can this the other things can be taken care of by this specialized this system. So in this sense, it is mentioned that AI are actually intelligent agents. If I show you this particular the discuss the thing, you will find that actually we are working on to build AI system that can be done by human. So it is known as the artificial general intelligence, and we are not building something at this moment. We are not building something devastating or destructive that can be this a curse for the human being. So I will mention that AI is actually for the good, and it is specifically it is a weapon for the scientist and the engineer. And I will not mention the scientist and the engineer, by all responsible citizens, those for those who want to take the advantage of this particular technology.
Got it, got it. So just one question that like in case these guys are in want to make their career in artificial intelligence, how InternsElite can help them in their this career guidance, or how they can achieve their goals with the help of InternsElite.
Yes, yeah. So this intensely, as I mentioned just a few minutes back, that intensely is a platform at this point of time that is working on this particular the frontier areas of technology. And so I've been associated with this particular this you can say the edutech this organization, and I find that this starting from the live session and this live interaction with the students, getting their a particular holistic overview of the subject, specifically this in the case of the artificial intelligence, it is artificial intelligence, and the background study, that what you need to be a specialist in this field, or to want to make a career in this particular field. And apart from this, the lectures and the interaction with the mentors, along with the live implementation of the project, by building the required theoretical foundation, it also offers I find that internship opportunities. So as a part of this internship, I would mention for my students, I am available 24/7. So you will find a mentor who will guide you over this particularly the WhatsApp for any of your queries in this particular field. And apart from that, it also lays a path to build a foundation for the particular student who is aspiring to build a career in this frontier areas of technology.
Got it, sir. Got it. All right, Ayan sir, thank you so much for joining with us. Very soon we'll be having another session with you with
Sure.
full-fledged attendance. And thank you so much, sir. Right.
Thank you, Anmol.
Thank you, sir. And to all the students that are with us, I hope you enjoyed the session. It was interactive, as well as we will be giving you for sure the next date when we are having this full-fledged webinar. In this, we will be discussing more in details like what we can do. And right now also you will be having one-on-one career counseling sessions where, for free to with our career counselors. And they will be having we will be having telephonic conversations right now. If anyone have any kind of doubt or query right now, they can ask, or you can wait and we can have in some time, very some time, our executives will be calling you regarding your career counseling. If anyone have any kind of doubt, they can rest here, stay here, and everyone, please, we'll be having calls. I hope everything is good. All right, Maurice. Thank you so much for joining, everyone. I will be sending you the information regarding the next webinar. Thank you for